And this is the final walkthrough of our princess bathroom project. Here's a nice area vent right on the floor. And here's nice pedestal sink, and we took advantage of this nice profile and extended it across the wall with this chair rail tile and nice towel shelf with a tiltable mirror and the nice lights above that. But also here was the most challenging part of the whole thing, the high tank toilet, because the toilet doesn't have a regular flange. It did this ceramic elbow coming down to the drain like this, and then we have this ceramic high tank with nice cast brackets, and we were lucky to find a nice looking valve to feed the water, and even the chain comes with the instructions what to do. And I just want to show you how it looks when you flush that, because this is like a waterfall on demand. So let's pull on the chain and see what it does. Yeah, that's quite a flush when the water falls down from 7 feet. So that was a super interesting one, almost one of a kind project. So, bathroom worth the princess, which obviously lives in the house. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.